Little red rats. Sitting there. The one keeps going up there. Let's see where it's at now. But going up there, climbing the tree. They need to go find their own food. You know what I mean? They're eating all the. I'd like to feed the dove and bluebirds and everything out in the front. And they like the nuts and the sunflower seeds, and these babies sit there and eat everything but the little grain. They're awful cute. Awful cute. Little babies. Where's that third one? Yes, I'm watching you. Mama. Got some cute babies here. You can get out of the pile though and let the rest of them eat.